First one, let's start. True or false? There are 3-4 sub questions to this. First one, the pair of linear equations x plus 2y equals to 5 and 7x plus 3y equals to 13 has unique solution. Unique means what? Only one solution. And the answer given is x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. Means only this solution they have. Okay, let's try. X plus y equals to 2, x plus 2y equals to 5 and 7x plus 3y equals to 13. Solve them. 1 into 7, it gives 7x plus 14y equals to 35. Now mark this as number 3. Then perform 3 minus 2, you get 11y equals to 22. Therefore y equals to 2. Substitute this in 1, you get x plus 4 equals to 5. Therefore x, right, it is 2y over here. Therefore x plus 4 equals to 5, x equals to 1. Therefore the solution is what? 1 comma 2 means x equals to 1 and y equals to 2. What is given? X equals to 2 and y equals to 1. So the statement is false. Next is root 2x plus root 3y equals to 0 and root 3x minus root 8y equals to 0. These two lines have no solution. Now let's check. In one of our earlier videos we have checked this. See here, no solution means when they are parallel, then they will have no solution because nothing is common. One solution means they'll intersect each other, and infinite solutions means they coincide with each other, means they overlap each other. Now this is about figures, but what about equation? See here, if a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, means the ratio of the constants of the two lines is not same as that of the other two ratios, then it is inconsistent, means no solution. Now if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then it has one solution, means one point. Now if a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2, then they overlap each other or coincide each other. Coincident lines, these are called as. So in our case, a1x plus b1y equals to c1 is 0. a2x plus b2y equals to c2 is 0. Plus b2 means what? b2 will be minus 8. Okay. So let's try a1 upon a2. So a1 upon a2 is what? Root 2 upon root 3 and b1 upon b2 is root 3 upon minus root 8. So are they equal? No. They are not equal means what? a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. It means what? It means these lines are these ones, intersecting ones, they will have one point in common. So one unique solution they will be having. Hence they will have a unique solution and hence the statement is false because it says no solution, right? Next, the values of p and q for which the following system of equations, that is 2x minus y equals to 5, p plus q into x plus 2p minus q into y equals to 15 has infinite number of solutions is p equals to 1 and q equals to 5. Now when will two lines have infinite number of solutions? When they are coincident, means overlap each other. Then all the points would be common, right? Then if they are intersecting, then only one point, and parallel means no point in common. So the condition for overlapping is a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. This is the condition. So put it in our problem. 2x minus y equals to 5 and then p plus q into x plus 2 into p plus 2 into p minus q into y equals to 15. So I have written it over here. So the ratios are 2 upon p plus q equals to minus 1 upon 2p minus q equals to 5 upon 15. This should be the condition for infinite solutions, means they are coincident. So take only these two. So 2p upon p plus q equals to 1 upon 3. What is 1 upon 3? This 5 upon 15, right? Okay. Now what is given? The values of given are p equals to 1 and q equals to 5. You can directly substitute these values also, 1 and 5. So you will get 2 upon 6, that is 1 upon 3. Yes, then the solution is okay. Even if you do it this way also it's okay. And what I have done is p plus q equals to 6, then solved it. It's a lengthy method. You don't do it that way. Just put the values of p and q and you will get 1 upon 3. So what I have done is p plus q equals to 6, then minus 1 upon 2p minus q, this one. Minus 1 upon 2p minus q equals to 1 upon 3. Then solved it. 2p minus q equals to minus 3. Equation number 3 and 4. Solve these two. So 3 plus 4 you get 3p equals to 3. P equals to 1. Then put it in 3. 1 plus q equals to 6. Q equals to 5. So the values are 1 and 5. That's what is given. Right? So the answer is true. But you need not do all these steps. Just put the value of 1 and 5 in this and you will get 2 upon 6. That is 1 upon 3 and the answer is true. Don't waste your time which I have done. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks. If the pair of line equations, linear equations is consistent, then it has either dash or dash solutions. Here all the three are related. We'll see them one by one. If the linear equations are consistent means what? See these figures. Consistent means these two lines or two equations should have at least one point in common. Okay, at least one. See here, in this case it is at least one is there.